Number 20. 1964 Pontiac GTO. Often credited with launching the muscle car movement, the GTO was more than just a fast car. It was a statement. Pontiac took a mid-sized Tempest, shoved in a 389 cubic inch V8, and created a street machine with performance that felt reckless at the time. Tires smoked, suspensions groaned, and drivers couldn't believe how quick it was. The GTO set a precedent for manufacturers, proving that power in a relatively light body could create a sensation both on the street and in the showroom. It was the first taste of what the golden age of muscle would fully embrace: unbridled performance combined with accessibility. Number 19. 1965 Ford Mustang GT 350. Carroll Shelby's Mustang GT 350 transformed a simple pony car into a serious performance machine. Powered by a 289 cubic inch V8 tuned for racing, the GT 350 wasn't just about speed, it was about control and precision. Shelby upgraded brakes, suspension, and chassis components to handle the added performance, creating a car that could dominate tracks and back roads alike. It represented a shift in the muscle car world, emphasizing not just raw power, but balanced engineering to manage it effectively. Dealers and buyers alike marveled at the combination of aggressive performance and everyday usability. Number 18. 1966 Chevelle SS 396. The Chevelle SS 396 was Chevrolet's answer to the growing demand for mid-size muscle with real bite. The 396 cubic inch V8 was powerful yet refined, delivering a blend of street-friendly behavior and track-capable acceleration. Dealers loved the Chevelle for its balance. It was fast, approachable, and striking in appearance. This car became a blueprint for how manufacturers could combine style, performance, and daily usability, setting the tone for the next wave of golden age muscle cars. Number 17. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Introduced as a direct competitor to the Mustang, the first-generation Camaro came in with a variety of engines and performance packages, but the SS stood out as the ultimate expression of Chevrolet's muscle intentions. With upgraded suspension, brakes, and a potent 396 V8, it offered both raw speed and track-ready handling. The Camaro SS proved that performance didn't have to compromise style and practicality, helping cement its place in muscle car lore. Number 16. 1967 Pontiac Firebird 400. Pontiac's Firebird 400 combined aggressive styling with a powerful 400 cubic inch V8. Dealers saw it as a car that could appeal to both enthusiasts and everyday drivers who wanted excitement without extreme compromise. Its torque-heavy engine provided thrilling straight-line performance, while optional handling packages ensured it could take corners with confidence. The Firebird 400 symbolized the Golden Age's philosophy: muscle cars that could dominate streets and strip alike. Number 15. 1968 Dodge Charger RT. The Charger RT was Dodge's answer to the escalating horsepower wars. With the 440 Magnum, or the legendary 426 Hemi, under the hood, the Charger could overwhelm tires and drivers alike. Its long, muscular body gave it an imposing presence, making it a favorite among enthusiasts who wanted both speed and style. The Charger RT showcased the era's love for straight-line performance and aerodynamic flair, leaving a lasting impression on American muscle history. Number 14. 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner. Plymouth's Roadrunner brought performance to the people with simplicity and affordability. The 383, or optional 426, Hemi provided extraordinary acceleration, while the cartoon-inspired branding made it approachable and fun. Dealers appreciated that it sold quickly and appealed to a wide audience. The Roadrunner became an icon of the Golden Age, proving that extreme performance didn't need a massive price tag. Number 13. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454. This big block beast represented the culmination of Chevrolet's muscle development. The 454 cubic inch V8 produced explosive power, making the SS 454 a straight-line terror. Dealers recognized it as a halo car for the brand, drawing attention and prestige, even if its everyday usability was limited. It exemplified the peak of the era when horsepower reigned supreme and street cred was measured in quarter-mile times. Number 12. 1969 Dodge Super Bee. Dodge's Super Bee was an affordable muscle car that didn't compromise on fun or performance. Its 383, or optional 440 V8 engines, provided strong acceleration, and its simple, purposeful design resonated with enthusiasts. Dealers loved the Super Bee because it sold in volume while maintaining its performance pedigree. It embodied the era's approach to making high-performance cars available to more drivers, fueling the muscle car craze. Number 11. 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 302. The Boss 302 was built with one goal in mind: to dominate Trans Am racing. Under the hood, a 302 cubic inch high-performance V8 revved eagerly, delivering precise, track-ready power. Dealers recognized its appeal to racing enthusiasts, highlighting the combination of street usability and competition-ready engineering. The Boss 302 bridged the gap between daily driver and track weapon, embodying the Golden Age spirit. Number 10. 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. By 1970, the muscle car era was reaching its zenith. The Hemi Cuda combined a lightweight body with a 426 Hemi, producing acceleration that few could handle on public roads. Dealers knew it was extreme, yet it sold because buyers craved the thrill. Its dominance in the quarter mile, coupled with its aggressive styling, made it a symbol of the era's unapologetic pursuit of power. Number 9. 1970 Chevrolet Nova SS. The Nova SS was small, light, and brutally fast when equipped with big block engines. It embodied the philosophy that performance wasn't about size, but about efficient delivery of power. Dealers appreciated the Nova SS for attracting younger buyers who wanted an affordable, explosive muscle car. Its combination of compact body and potent engine made it a staple of the Golden Age. Number 8. 1970 Oldsmobile 442 W30. The W30 package transformed the 442 into a torque monster, combining style and speed effortlessly. Its aggressive engine and performance options made it a favorite among enthusiasts. Dealers marketed it as a car for those who wanted both comfort and pure performance, bridging the gap between luxury-oriented muscle cars and street-legal racers. Number 7. 1971 Buick GSX. Buick may not have been the first brand to come to mind for muscle, but the GSX changed that perception. With a 455 cubic inch V8 producing up to 360 horsepower, it offered terrifying acceleration in a relatively comfortable package. Dealers noted its appeal to buyers who wanted muscle without sacrificing refinement. The GSX proved that the Golden Age embraced a variety of manufacturers and approaches, expanding the muscle car movement. Number 6. 1971 AMC Javelin AMX. AMC's Javelin AMX demonstrated that performance could come from unexpected places. With a 390 or optional 401 V8, it held its own against more famous competitors. Dealers appreciated the car's balance of handling and acceleration, offering buyers a sporty option that wasn't as ubiquitous as Camaro or Mustang. The Javelin AMX showcased the era's diversity in muscle car offerings. Number 5. 1971 Dodge Challenger RT. The Challenger arrived slightly later, but captured the essence of the Golden Age immediately. With multiple engine options, including the 440 and 426 Hemi, it offered consumers extreme performance in a bold package. Dealers saw it as a halo car, combining performance, style, and accessibility. Its arrival marked a continuation of the muscle car philosophy, even as the market began to change. Number 4. 1971 Plymouth GTX. The GTX was Plymouth's more luxurious muscle offering, combining comfort with speed. Its 440 cubic inch V8 offered strong acceleration, and its styling projected power and sophistication. Dealers could sell it to buyers seeking a balance between brute performance and refined driving experience, proving that muscle cars weren't one-dimensional. Number 3. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. By 1972, muscle cars were approaching their peak output, and the Chevelle SS epitomized that trend. Its big block engines offered massive horsepower, and dealerships promoted it as the ultimate straight-line performer. Buyers lined up for the experience of raw power combined with a recognizable and aggressive design, cementing its place in the Golden Age. Number 2. 1972 Pontiac Trans Am. The Trans Am was Pontiac's answer to the evolving muscle landscape, designed for performance enthusiasts who valued both handling and speed. Its Ram Air V8 options allowed drivers to feel the thrill of high horsepower while maintaining a sense of control. Dealers used the Trans Am to appeal to a new generation of performance buyers who wanted refinement along with aggression. Number 1. 1973 Dodge Challenger HEMI. Closing our list, the 1973 HEMI Challenger represented the apex of the Golden Age of muscle. Its 426 cubic inch Hemi engine produced explosive power, and the car combined bold styling with track-capable performance. Dealers knew they were selling a legend, and buyers recognized it immediately. The Hemi Challenger exemplified everything the era stood for: unapologetic speed, aggressive styling, and an enduring legacy in American automotive history. The Golden Age of muscle cars wasn't just about speed, it was about creativity, engineering, innovation, and the desire to push limits on the streets and the track. From small, nimble pony cars to oversized big block monsters, these 20 vehicles defined an era when horsepower reigned supreme. Dealers navigated extreme performance with care, and American automotive culture embraced a fearless pursuit of speed. This was the time when muscle wasn't optional, it was a statement.